Here's my dad's 1965 Oldsmobile 442 that he bought in 1966. All original paint, not repainted. 4-speed, manual steering, manual brakes. Beautiful car. And he's detailed and updated some of the underneath and the engine compartment a couple times. And pop the hood next. Let you see that. Here's the engine. 400, 345 horse. He's had this apart again. My dad's in his 70s, and my son Shane helped him kind of put this all back together. He took the front fenders off very carefully, and he did a lot in here. While not disturbing the original factory paint. Amazing. This is for all the people that do the blackout area and the 442 emblem in the wrong area that we see on so many 65s. This is how it's supposed to be. And that's it. Grew up with this car. A lot of fun times.